My stay in Wellnessland Wellness Center has been incredible. It has actually been life-changing, I think, because coming from a society where nutrition is not as valued as it should be in the health and wellness sector, I guess, seeing Dr. Romy or Dr. Paredes actually paying attention to the nutrition and giving information and empowering the people that came to the clinic kind of inspired me to continue with my journey, and also it reminded me of why is it that I chose to pursue nutrition at first place. So I've always seen nutrition as a way not to only prevent disease but also heal chronic disease. And once I knew that, something clicked in my mind and I was like, okay, I want to study more about it because it's the perfect way to take care of ourselves and heal ourselves and prevent any sort of chronic diseases without the need of going to the doctor, to the hospital, taking drugs or anything like that. So, oh my God, I don't know if you heard it, but before there were so many birds. I don't know what happened. So yeah, Dr. Romy is incredible. You'll see him now because I've decided to make some sort of like a small video representing what is Wellnessland Wellness Center, and for you guys to see Dr. Romy, how he is, and also the different things you do in the center. So I personally did some sort of like, I did one document for the people that were asking for a guidance on how to transition to a more plant-based whole food diet, just because I know about it, right? But also I did some seminars or like talks with Dr. Romy, like really chill. He's super chill. He's super like, he never wants to be over other people. He considers like it has to be conversation because we learn from everyone, right? So yeah. So yeah, I've did some of these things, but I've decided to make a video where you can see the different things we did and also maybe hopefully kind of meet Dr. Paredes and all the staff from Wellnessland, which I'm really thankful for, and they are so welcoming and such amazing people. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video.
My name is Dr. Romy Paredes. I'm a medical doctor by profession. I've been a doctor for 20 plus years. I finished medical school at the University of the Philippines College of Medicine. Then after that, I went into the less traveled road of medicine, so to speak. However, I would also like to introduce my co-sharer, co-speaker for today. Her name is Anna. So let's palakpakan naman natin siya. She came all the way from Spain. Yes, she came all the way from Spain. She's from Spain. So hindi siya makabisaya, ha? Espanyol. Di ba marunong ka mag-Espanyol Pilipino? Si. Vamos. This is not an examination or whatever. Okay,
so doctor, tell me, why did you first decide to study medicine? What is?
Oh, that's a long time ago. And then you brought some labs.
Yes, sir.
Can I check your labs? So yan po yung blood sugar ninyo for the past 3 months. So diabetic you ka. So usually diabetes is in the food. Not unless you change the food, it will be very difficult for you to cure diabetes. Okay, so let me explain.
He explains so many important things about health in a really simple way for anyone to understand and to take charge of themselves and their health.
When you treat the symptom, as when you treat the root cause. When you treat the symptom, you just rely on medication. And when you rely on medication, yes, the numbers will go down, the sugar will go down, the cholesterol will go down, the blood pressure will go down. But the disease is maintained. How will you know? If you stop your medication, everything goes up. True?
True.
The problem is people become dependent on the medication. And when you become dependent on medication, when you become dependent on medicine, what happens? Other organs will also suffer. Whereas here, you treat the cause of the problem. When you treat the cause of the problem, you rely on maintenance habits. You change your lifestyle to plant-based, whole food, low-fat diet or vegetarian diet. But not too much on the fried vegetarian also. Then there is a possibility that you cure the disease. Most of us doctors, by the way, I'm a medical doctor, I'm not an alternative doctor, I'm a medical doctor who just think differently. Most of us doctors, we are trained to treat the symptom of your problem. For example, si sir, ano problema mga high blood? Okay, madali lang man Neo block, calci block, terra block, halo block. Diabetes, metformin, glucose, diamicron, insulin. You have a headache, pain reliever. You have a cancer, chemotherapy. So it's all drugs. In all humility, the subject that I got my highest grade in UP College of Medicine is pharmacology. Meaning I was good in drugs. But I realized that they are not helping you in the long term. It seems like it is helping you in the short term. So there are two types of laboratory result. The false result and the true result. The false result is the result that you see with medication. The true result is the result that you see without medication. But people don't like to see the false result because they get scared. Oh my God, my sugar is very high. I don't like. Doctor, can you give something to suppress it, to lower it down? And we are very good at it. That's why we are very good in treating the symptom, and we are all brainwashed, we are all conditioned to take the symptom of the problem. True?
Yes, true.
And we also hear the advertisement in the radio, in the television, in the newspaper every day. If symptom persists, consult your doctor. You can memorize that commercial ad. What I preach here, what I teach here is I empower my patients to go on the right side, treat the cause. I cannot cure diabetes, mother, only you can cure diabetes. If she will believe that diabetes is genetic and there's nothing she can do, then she will also be diabetic. But there is a biology of belief. Do you know that? There is a biology of belief. You change the way you believe things, things can also change. So mas malalim ko na ko. Just don't be too hard on yourself. That's also our topic a while ago, not to be too hard on ourselves. It's a process, it's a journey. I will also give you something later like a probiotic, fiber powder, just to start cleansing, detoxifying the body. And if the blood vessel will weaken, as a part of the body's attempt to strengthen the circulation, the cholesterol, which is majority produced by your liver, not just from the food, it will go up there and plug up there as a repair mechanism. It's a repair mechanism. So it repairs. So we need to eat. But what do we eat? Breakfast,
Coffee bread.
coffee bread, hot dog, lunch, fried chicken, dinner, lechon. So where's the vitamin C there? There's none.